Joan Jett. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney. Today's video was requested. I am doing a makeup inspired by the legend herself, Joan Jett. Joan Jett. Joan Jett did this, it's an iconic look. You kind of look at it and you're like, that's a Joan Jett smoky eye. Started in the Runaways, continued on to this day. She's an amazing musician, just a cool, classic, awesome person. I link all of the products in the description box below. Some of the products that I'm using have been gifted to me by It Cosmetics. Thank you guys so much. They are wonderful products, so continue to watch to see which products that I'll be using from them. Please like and subscribe, and let's get started. So I already did my complexion, but if you are interested, I can do a video. I have a couple of videos in the past that I've done. It's not really changed. Let me know if you want me to do a full skincare and foundation routine. Okay, so start off with a black liner. I'm using Smolder because it's really soft and very, very black. And you go right on the inner membrane, bottom and top. And then underneath, get a pretty thick line going because you're going to smudge all of this, so it doesn't have to be perfect either. And you're going to do it on the top too. And then pull that out and tilt it up just a little bit. Then with the small fluffy brush with nothing on it yet, you're just going to blend that out, top and bottom. And I'm bringing it up onto my lid because that's going to act as a base and hold on to the other shadows that I'm going to be applying. So it already gives you kind of like a shape. Now I'm using the Black Magic palette by Oma Beauty. This is like the perfect smoky eye palette and great for this look. I'm going in with Omo first. That same brush that I used to smudge out everything. Just press that right onto the liner, onto the lid. And you can bring that up a little bit into your crease. You're gonna do that same thing underneath. This also helps to blend out that black liner. Instantly makes it smoky. And with a slightly larger fluffy brush, I'm just gonna go back and forth. I don't have anything on it yet. I'm just going to blend it up into my crease to blend that out and underneath. And this brush is from Prado's Beauty. Oh, I love Prado's Beauty. Now I'm going in with Poise, this beautiful dark brown shadow. Same brush that I used to blend all that out. And I'm applying it first on that outer corner. Well, it's just like a little circle. And then a little bit on the inner corner, mainly on the lid. So it makes kind of two panels. I'm wiping off what I had on the brush, the same brush, and just blend out the perimeter. You don't want the whole thing to be blended out because you want to keep that color really intense right there, but just around it. Back in with Smolder eyeliner, and I'm making a kind of thin liner right along the lash line. And pull that out. Not too much, you don't want it to be too much of a wing because you want to keep it smoky, but it will elongate the eye. Do a little underneath in that outer corner as well and connect them. And you're going to curl your lash. I'm going in with Lash Paradise primer. I always use a primer because that works best with my lashes. You can go into your mascara or with your mascara without a primer. I just find for my thin lashes, this helps the mascara go on a lot easier, quicker, and prevents them from clumping together. So I received from It Cosmetics this mascara. It's called Superhero, and I've been trying it for the past couple days and I love it. It goes on really black, it goes on really fast, and it makes them really long and thick. And I could not be happier, and thank you so much, It Cosmetics. This is great. Look at that. It's so fast. That's such a pet peeve of mine. Mascaras that take so long to build up the product, but this goes on. I could not be happier. It's so hard for me to find a good mascara, and this is definitely one of them. Look at that, that's like one coat. It doesn't transfer. And it keeps the curl. I can't say enough about it. So I think in like the 80s, Joan Jett started like playing around with like purples and pinks, but I want to keep this more of like her earlier days and her later days, where she didn't use a lot of colors, mainly like blacks and browns, and not a lot of lipstick. I'm gonna go in with Juvia's Place because I like a little bit of definition to my lips. She has beautiful lips, so she can just throw on whatever or nothing at all, but I want a little something. So I overline just a little bit. I concentrate on the outer corners and smudge. So it gives the illusion that it's upturned a little bit. And underneath, I keep it mainly in the center here. And when I smudge it, I'll fill in a little bit in the outer corners. That's just the shape that I like. And then another Juvia's Place product. It's electric. And it's got like a gold glitter to clear gloss. It's just a great lip gloss. So there you have it. My look inspired by Joan Jett, the icon, the everything, Joan Jett. Thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, I did want to also, It Cosmetics also sent me, because I wear my makeup like this every day. Not this particular makeup, but I wear makeup every day. And I can't go in with just any kind of cleanser because I need something that will emulsify the makeup and make it easier for it to come off and also protect my skin. So this was sent to me. It's a gift from It Cosmetics, not sponsored, but they did send this to me, and this is the Bye Bye Makeup. It's a balm. I just take my nail and just take a little bit, like the size of a pea, and rub it in, and then I go into my makeup. You do it on dry skin. It smells amazing. It leaves your skin so soft. It takes off all the makeup really fast, so you're not there forever, like tugging at your skin. Another really amazing product. I usually use a oil-based cleanser. This is so far the best I've tried. It has vitamin C in it, and it also is a skin softener. So highly, highly recommend. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you have any other ideas that you would like to see, because this video was requested. So thank you for the idea. I love Joan Jett, and this is a lot of fun to do. Let me know in the comments down below, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you guys so much.